A very good afternoon to all of you. I'll be I invite you to this welcome you to this wonderful session of innovative solutions for complex anterior segment situations. I'm Dr. Ritesh Narula, the instructor for this instruction course. We have no financial interest by any of the speakers in any of the products shown in this presentation. In day-to-day scenarios, anterior segment surgeons do encounter certain difficult situations such as hazy corneas, difficult rents, capsule extensions, high intraocular pressure encountered in the middle of a surgery, uncontrolled IOP, endophthalmitis. All these are complex situations which an anterior segment surgeon can encounter. And herein we, as a group of anterior segment and VR surgeons, are presenting certain unique innovations which can be done to help you go through this with the help of certain basic instruments available in most of the OTs today. I would like to introduce you to the stars of the show. I am very honored to have a galaxy of wonderful seniors of mine with whom I have had a pleasure to learn so much over the last 10 years at Center for Sight. We have our own very incoming president, Dr. Lalit Verma sir, Dr. Dinesh Talwar sir, a prolific retina surgeon, Dr. Harsh Kumar sir, a well-renowned figure in the field of glaucoma, Dr. Hemlata Gupta, a par excellence cataract surgeon, and the last, not the least, but the most important person who is the brainchild behind this instruction course, Dr. Avninder Gupta. Most of these surgeries somewhere have had an origin from his brain. He has been kind of innovator to this whole innovations concept, which is coming out of Center for Sight for the last 3 years as an instruction course. Uh, I'll introduce you to the trocar cannula system, the tool of the trade which we use in most of these surgeries. I'll quickly go through what this trocar cannula system basically means. It is going to be used in most of these surgeries. It's very commonly seen by all VR surgeons. For anterior segment surgeons, this may be not a surprise or a new tool now. It basically consists of a set of 3 trocars and cannulas. So basically, it's a sharp spear-shaped trocar over which a cannula is threaded. And as you can nicely see here, the trocar cannula system nicely, it's a smooth entry and exit for this cannula over the trocar. And this is what we'll be using in most of our surgeries as an innovative concept. It's very easy to put into the globe, easy for anybody to master this technique. It takes a few basic steps. At 4 millimeter in a phakic eye, at 3 millimeter in a pseudophakic or an aphakic eye, you just go as a two-step entry, initially going at about 15 degrees to the globe and then about 80 degrees. You can plug it either with an infusion tube if you are combining it with a VR surgery, or a plug also. So with basic introduction to the tool, I would hand over first